Muscles of the feet. Complete foot muscle anatomy explained. Structure, functions and movement. The human foot is one of the most remarkable structures in the body. Although it may appear small compared to other body parts, each foot contains dozens of muscles, bones, joints, ligaments, tendons, and nerves working together to support the body's weight, maintain balance, and make every step possible. Whether you are standing still, walking, running, jumping, or climbing stairs, the muscles of the feet play an essential role in every movement. In this video, we will explore the muscles of the foot in detail. We will learn about their anatomy, different types, functions, blood supply, nerve supply, and their importance in everyday life. Let's begin. The human foot contains 26 bones, 33 joints, and more than 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments. While many muscles that move the foot originate in the lower leg, the foot itself also contains several small muscles that provide stability and fine control of movement. Foot muscles are generally divided into two major groups. The first group is called the extrinsic muscles. These muscles originate in the lower leg and send long tendons into the foot. They generate powerful movements such as walking, running, and jumping. The second group is known as the intrinsic muscles. These muscles originate and insert within the foot itself. They provide balance, maintain the arches of the foot, and control the small movements of the toes. Let us first understand the extrinsic muscles. One of the strongest muscles involved in foot movement is the tibialis anterior. It lies in the front compartment of the leg. This muscle lifts the foot upward, a movement known as dorsiflexion. It also helps turn the sole inward, called inversion. Without the tibialis anterior, lifting the foot while walking would be difficult, resulting in a condition called foot drop. Another important muscle is the extensor hallucis longus. It extends the big toe and assists in dorsiflexion of the ankle. The extensor digitorum longus extends the four smaller toes while helping lift the foot upward. It is especially active during walking and running. On the outer side of the leg are the fibularis longus and fibularis brevis muscles. These muscles evert the foot, meaning they turn the sole outward. They also help stabilize the ankle during walking on uneven surfaces. At the back of the lower leg is the powerful calf muscle group consisting of the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles. Together they form the Achilles tendon, which inserts into the heel bone. These muscles perform plantar flexion, allowing us to stand on our toes, jump, sprint, and push the body forward during walking. The tibialis posterior is another deep muscle that supports the medial longitudinal arch of the foot. Weakness of this muscle may lead to flat feet in adults. Now let us move to the intrinsic muscles of the foot. The intrinsic muscles are arranged in layers on the sole of the foot. These muscles are responsible for maintaining balance, supporting the arches, and controlling toe movements. The first layer contains the abductor hallucis, flexor digitorum brevis, and abductor digiti minimi. The abductor hallucis moves the big toe away from the other toes and helps support the medial arch. The flexor digitorum brevis bends the four smaller toes and contributes to grip during walking. The abductor digiti minimi moves the little toe outward and assists in maintaining balance. The second layer contains the quadratus plantae and the lumbrical muscles. The quadratus plantae assists the flexor digitorum longus by improving the direction of pull during toe flexion. The lumbricals flex the metatarsophalangeal joints while extending the interphalangeal joints. These coordinated movements are important during walking. The third layer includes the flexor hallucis brevis, adductor hallucis, and flexor digiti minimi brevis. The flexor hallucis brevis bends the big toe and plays an important role during push-off while walking. The adductor hallucis pulls the big toe toward the second toe and helps stabilize the forefoot. The flexor digiti minimi brevis bends the little toe. The deepest fourth layer contains the plantar interossae and dorsal interossae muscles. The plantar interossae bring the toes toward the second toe. The dorsal interossae spread the toes apart. These muscles also help stabilize the toes during standing and movement. Now let us understand the arches of the foot. The foot has three important arches. The medial longitudinal arch is the highest and most flexible. It acts as a shock absorber. The lateral longitudinal arch provides stability. The transverse arch distributes body weight across the foot. The intrinsic muscles continuously work with ligaments and tendons to maintain these arches. Weak muscles may lead to flat feet, pain, and reduced walking efficiency. The blood supply of the foot comes mainly from the anterior tibial artery and posterior tibial artery. The anterior tibial artery continues as the dorsalis pedis artery on the top of the foot. The posterior tibial artery divides into the medial and lateral plantar arteries, supplying the sole of the foot. The nerve supply is mainly provided by branches of the tibial nerve and the common fibular nerve. The medial plantar nerve supplies many muscles controlling the big toe. The lateral plantar nerve supplies most of the remaining intrinsic muscles. The deep fibular nerve supplies muscles on the top of the foot. Healthy nerves are essential for proper muscle coordination and balance. Now let us see how these muscles work during walking. The walking cycle begins when the heel touches the ground. The tibialis anterior controls the lowering of the foot. As the body moves forward, the intrinsic muscles stabilize the arches. During the push-off phase, the calf muscles generate powerful plantar flexion while the flexor hallucis brevis and other toe flexors push the body forward. This complex coordination allows smooth, efficient movement. Foot muscles are also essential for sports. Athletes rely on strong foot muscles for sprinting, football, basketball, dancing, hiking, and many other activities. Well-conditioned foot muscles improve balance, speed, agility, and reduce the risk of injury. Several medical conditions affect the muscles of the foot. Plantar fasciitis causes heel pain due to stress on the plantar fascia and surrounding muscles. Flat feet occur when the arches collapse. Foot drop results from weakness of the tibialis anterior or injury to the nerve supplying it. Muscle strains may develop after excessive physical activity. Diabetes can damage the nerves supplying the foot muscles, leading to weakness and poor balance. Proper footwear, stretching exercises, strengthening exercises, and maintaining a healthy body weight help keep the foot muscles healthy. Simple exercises such as toe curls, towel scrunches, heel raises, marble pickups, and calf stretches improve muscle strength and flexibility. In summary, the muscles of the feet are essential for supporting body weight, maintaining posture, preserving the arches, and producing every step we take. The extrinsic muscles provide powerful movements, while the intrinsic muscles ensure balance, stability, and precise control. Together they create one of the most efficient mechanical systems in the human body. Understanding the anatomy of the foot is valuable for medical students, healthcare professionals, athletes, and anyone interested in human anatomy. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future anatomy lessons.